Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to check the FPV-003 monocular goggles from JJRC. This is a pretty esoteric product which probably most of you are not going to get, so in this video I'm just going to quickly go over its features and then head outdoors and test it out. The 003 monocular goggles comes inside this pretty compact carrying case. Inside we can find the user manual, a pair of glasses, the main unit, the battery, a USB to micro USB cable for charging the battery, and finally this part that will enable you to attach the screen to your existing glasses or to the ones that are included in the kit. On the included detachable battery we can find a micro USB port that will enable you to charge it. It takes about an hour to fully charge the battery and it lasts for about 20 minutes. The battery attaches to the main unit in this manner, but before that you will need to insert the clip. You can either insert it like that or the other way around, depending on the way that you're going to mount the screen. So if you're going to mount it on the right side of the glasses, it's going to be inserted in this manner, and if you want to insert it on the left side, you will just need to slide it like that, and then you can attach the screen on the left side of the glasses. After connecting the battery, you can power on the device by long pressing this button over here. And now you can see the FPV screen inside. The resolution of the screen is 428 by 240 and the aspect ratio is 16 by 9. The built-in receiver supports 40 channels, and you can also see an OSD inside, which is going to indicate the signal strength, the channel and band, and the battery level. The OSD menu will also enable you to adjust the brightness and the contrast of the screen and also flip the image in case you are going to mount it on the left side of the glasses. Now I do wear glasses, but unfortunately this device is not compatible with my pair because my frame is just a little bit too thin and you will need to use a thick frame such as the one that is used on the glasses that are included in the kit. The price of this monocular FPV screen is close to $150, so it's actually pretty expensive for what you get. The battery life is pretty poor, and I don't think it's a very comfortable device, and I don't see a lot of use for it. The only thing I can think of is just for indoor adjustments, but I think it's going to make much more sense to get an FPV watch such as this one or use an OTG device, because this thing is not comfortable and won't provide you with a good value for money, so I can't recommend it. Now in case someone from JJRC is watching this video, I can tell you that you could get things right if you included an HDMI port, because I can see people who fly DJI products, for example, using it, especially considering that the quality of the screen is pretty good, and also it is a pretty light device and it weighs only 41.1 grams. The next thing I've done is to capture the screen externally in order to show the quality of the screen and also to test the internal receiver, and I can tell you that I was kind of surprised with the results, especially considering that the built-in receiver doesn't use an external antenna. So just before wrapping up this video, I want to ask you, what do you think of this device? And if you have a good use for it, please let me know down below, because maybe I just didn't think of it. I hope you enjoyed the rest of this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask it down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. See you in my next videos, and goodbye.
Oh God, damn, you made me feel sweet. And if I'm losing my mind, would you lose yours with me? You made me wanna melt like butter in the pan. It's hard to keep my cool knowing I'm your man, so let's spend some time wasting it away. Your love is like music, You went and changed the game. We're breaking all the rules. Our side signs don't match. Immigration issues, trying to prove I'm with you. I'm gonna miss you. We'll hate to see you go. Wish time could just go slow. Will truly dim my heart, but it's only time apart. And in no time we gon' be right back, right by my side like a monkey on my back. It's been a ride and we know when it's done. I guess you need the lows to know when you're